They're off and running. Star of War like a shot to open up by a length and a half early. Foxy Bailey second. This Cat Talks racing in third. Sabadabadoo came away in the fourth spot. Cha-ching Jackpot, Hot Pistol on the far outside. Long-legged Alley next by a length now to Pure Polished. And a couple back to Running for Dixie, who trails. Rounding the turn to the top of the lane they come. Foxy Bailey by a neck now. Star of War, that's Cat Talks, is third. Sabadabadoo trying to rev up from fourth by three more. Cha-ching Jackpot's up the inside now, followed by Hot Pistol in the stretch drive. Foxy Bailey taking the lead now for a long out. Foxy Bailey, this Cat Talks is on the outside. Star of War driving at the rail. Here comes this Cat Talks on by to take the lead from Foxy Bailey. This Cat Talks gets up to win. Foxy Bailey second. It's tight for third between Long-Legged Alley and Star of War.